no. Hey, I brought extra butter.
Hey, you guys are watching the movie?
Any story worth telling is worth telling twice.
What the?
Oh, excuse me.
Excuse me.
Excuse me.
Excuse me.
Excuse me.
Excuse me. Get out of the way.
Who is this crowd? Hey, down in front. Watch it. Okay, buddy, you win.
Sure you don't mind?
Hakuna Matata.
The Timon. I still don't do so well in crowds.
4 years of film school for this?
Hi! Movie's over. Go home!